Honor is back with a bang, introducing the Honor Magic 7 Pro, a powerhouse that's redefining flagship smartphones. This sleek device comes packed with cutting-edge AI capabilities and the ultra-powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising a significant leap in performance and innovation. Let's talk specs. With up to 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, the Magic 7 Pro is built for serious multitasking and storage needs. Its Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset is crafted on a second-gen 3nm process, delivering a whopping 40% boost in gaming performance. Paired with the Adreno 830 GPU, this phone is a gamer's dream. And thanks to Honor's ultra-wide liquid cooling system, your device stays cool under pressure even during intense games like Genshin Impact. The Magic 7 Pro runs on ZAKIR OS 9.0, built on Android 15. This system introduces Yo-Yo Smart Assistant, letting you control notifications, subscriptions, and more with just your voice. Plus, enhanced privacy features like AI face swap detection ensure secure video calls. Feast your eyes on the 6.8-inch Quad-Curved OLED display. It's smooth with a 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate and jaw-dropping 5000 nits peak brightness, perfect for outdoor use. Honor's AI Oasis Eye Care technology reduces harmful blue light, ensuring comfort during long screen time. The cameras are next level. The 50MP main camera features a variable aperture, opening parenthesis f1. For f/2.0, while the 200MP periscope telephoto lens offers 100x digital zoom and OIS for selfies. There's a 50MP front camera with an added 3D depth sensor for sharper portraits and secure facial recognition. Whether it's low light or action shots, AI Eagle Eye Burst and Super Portrait Mode deliver stunning results every time. Battery life, it's a beast. The 5850 mAh capacity supports blazing 100W wired and 80 West wireless charging. Honor's Qinghai Lake battery technology ensures longer battery health, so you're always powered up. Rounding things off, the Magic 7 Pro is built to last with IP68, IP69 dust and water resistance, supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and even Tiantong satellite communication for connectivity in remote areas. The Honor Magic 7 Pro isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement of innovation. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates.